Hi, Mrs. Hernandez's class. Hello, kids. I hope you're doing well with all this digital learning and Google Classroom stuff. I see that you are actively involved and know that you're doing a great job. I have chosen a book specifically for your class. I'm sorry it is not Peppa Pig. I don't have any Peppa Pig books, but I do have books about pigs and elephants. So I'm going to read this just for your class. Today I will fly. Today I will fly. And I've got to figure out the camera, obviously, huh? No, you will not fly today. You will not fly tomorrow. You will not fly next week. You will never fly. I will try. Goodbye. You will not fly. She will not fly. Fly, 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 fly. Fly, 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 fly. You need help. Thank you. I do need help. I will get help. I did it! I flew! Thanks for your help. You did not fly. I did not fly. You jumped! I jumped? It was a big jump. Yes, it was a big jump, but you did not fly. I will try again. I will eat lunch. Goodbye! Fly, 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 fly. You need help. I do need help. Will you help me? I will. I will help you. Thank you. Hello? Hello! You are flying! You are flying today! My friend can fly. She can fly. I am not flying. You are not flying? I am getting help. Thank you for your help. Tomorrow, I will fly. Good luck. And there's a little pigeon. Bye, guys.